Welcome, in front of me I have Realme X2 Pro, and today we are going to check how fast and reliable is the face unlock. So let's make the few tries and we are going to check what is going on here with the face unlock. So let's lock device. So as you can see, it's very fast. I can say that it is even the same fast like on the Samsung Galaxy S21, and it is reliable. It works every time. It was one issue, but I just pressed the power button too fast. As you can see, it works really good. So yeah, definitely face unlock on the Realme X2 Pro is very fast and it's reliable. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!